The greatness of Americans is that we are mosaic, we are diverse. I am about the people of the United States of America and the people of Houston, Texas. I think the Justice Department needs to be the final protector of the people of the United States of America. Millions of Americans find community, comfort, and support in their faith. America has a right to the Second Amendment, but the people of America have a right to safety and the prevention of gun violence in their community. Love is like a roller coaster. It can take you to the highest, most spectacular heights or drop you to bottom in seconds. However, even with the risks, love is undoubtedly worth it in the end. I love the people I get to serve, and I have wonderful colleagues that I get the chance to serve with. I'm a woman of a certain era. I am a queen, and I demand to be treated like a queen. We now stand together on that mountain of which we never thought we would see. The Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment and Expungement Act is comprehensive legislation to decriminalize marijuana at the federal level, reassess marijuana convictions, and invest in local communities. Marching with over 1 million women in support of our reproductive rights was one of the most empowering things I have done, both as a woman and as a member of Congress. What am I, a prostitute? Am I your prostitute? You can't prostitute me. We have not won the battle against drug trafficking. We as public servants must not be silent. We have to speak to the pain of African American men and youth across the country during this time. We have to be firm about our voices being heard. Today we have to Vietnam's side by side, North and South. Maybe the word welfare should be changed to something of a transitional living fund, for that is what it is, for people to be able to live. The role of the federal government supporting the institution of slavery and subsequent discrimination directed against blacks is an injustice that must be formally acknowledged and addressed. I was in the Black Power movement. I feel as energized about Black Lives Matter. I don't feel in any way separated from Black Lives Matter. I do believe we are hand and glove. I am the legislative tool. We will heal the nation, but we will not stop until the nation knows Black Lives Matter and reparations are passed as the most significant civil rights legislation of the 21st century. Now is the time why we can't wait. I think I've been a victim of discrimination, sexism, and even racism, frankly, because I'm sure there is a whole array of stories to be told, and I don't go around trying to find out about them ... I don't worry about it. The uncomfortable truth is that the United States owes its position as the most powerful nation in the world to its slave-owning past. I do the work in this office. I do it quietly and consistently, and I check off the boxes of who's being helped and who's in need. By virtually any measure, the record of the Republican majority is an appalling failure. America, I am not ignoring you.